Alright guys, welcome to part 2 of this video, and here I'm going to show you, hopefully I can get some of these chopsticks out. They are premium quality chopsticks, and that's why they have a different kind of weight to them than most other chopsticks do. Again, I'm not dissing the bamboo chopsticks, which I love and use on a regular basis, but you gotta say that these are very cool looking. I don't know if they're somehow weighted, as in there's a kind of combination between wood or plastic on the outside and metal inside, but they feel really good in the hand. But anyway, and they have this beautiful gold here. I'm not sure, again, I should look back at this video in maybe a few years and let you know if it's still golden and beautiful as it is here, or you know, it kind of withered away with time. But
Likey